Play and learn with G-Compress tutorial. In this video, we are going to have a demo on how to use G-Compress. First, go to Google and type in G-Compress in the search window. And the first link will give you G-Compress educational software. Click on that and you will have this page. And click on download G-Compress. And this is compatible with Android, that is in mobile phone. Also in Play Store you can download this and you make use of this. And this is also compatible with Mac OS, iPad and GNU Linux. And if you want to go with all, you can click on this all. Now I'm going for downloading G-Compress for Windows. Click on that and now you're going to select on which bit, like 64-bit or 32-bit. If your system is 32-bit, then click on 32-bit. Otherwise, if you are having Windows XP or 7 or older version, you want to go down. For Windows 10, this is the version. 7 and 8 and 10, this is compatible. So for Windows XP, you are going to click on this and download this. Now let me go on to the latest version and I'm going to click on 64-bit G-Compress. Now when I click at this, my file, that is setup file, gets downloaded. And now my download is completed. Now you will find a setup file like this in a symbol of G in orange color, and you're going to double click on that. When you click on that, it will appear like this. Click on next and agree and click on next. And give install. And it will install the complete package into your system. This is how you're going to install this G-Compress into your system. This is the installation process. Okay, now your installation is completed. When it gets installed, you will have this in your system, like G-Compress in your programs menu. When you open that, you will find a window like this. In this, the first one is for saving all your favorite games into this. And all your favorites, when you click on the Sun button in that game, it will come to the first one, that is your favorites toolbar. Now you can click on the settings configuration and you have the full version. This is a full version. And background music, and it will download background music when you go for the first time. Allow it and save it. Enable audio voices, and if you don't want any voice, you can click on off. And these are the settings which you can make changes. If you want to increase the font size, you can do it, and all the changes can be made in this. Font letter spacing also you can increase. And I'm closing the settings window. Now you're going to click on the favorites, and the first one is for you to give keyboard and mouse practice. I'm going to give one example, and this is the favorite button. If you want to add this, click on the star or sun button which is there, and if you click on that, it will appear in yellow color and it will also come to your favorites. Now it is added to your favorites, and now we are again going to This I'm clicking favorites and it is now in your favorites. This is how you are going to add to favorites. And first game suit is for keyboard and mouse practice. We are going to have keyboard and mouse practice with this. The next one is logic, that is logic and analytical reasoning to develop your mind ability. And there is also there are some games here, and there are fine arts and music also in this category. Now I'm going to, in fine arts there are 3 games, and in music also you will have some games. Let us check one by one. I'm clicking on music. Their keyboard is ready for you. Now we'll go to the next one. This is for science related experiment, and there are some games which are interesting to learn science with practical examples, and there is history lessons also inside this, and for geography you will find some lessons. And we are clicking on the next one, which is for recreation. You will find the football game, maze, memory game, and other games which are interesting for the uh, students to play and learn. And the next one is maths related, and maths learning is fun through this games. They can learn from numerals to higher level also. The first category is numeration. You also have arithmetic games, and for measurement games also there. All these are really fun. The next one is puzzles for the children to improve their brain power. And next you have uh, some games to develop language skills, that is English language development. Here also we have 3 categories. Letter development is for primary, for words which is for 6 to 8, and for vocabulary you can use it for 6 to 8. All these are of developing English language. At the end you have some fun games which are also developing your maths and logical reasoning. That's tic-tac-toe and chess and other interesting games are inside this. This is all about what are the games inside this package you have seen. And now I'm going to give you a demo of one by one. Let us check. Let us go with first example of keyboard and mouse practice. And now I'm going to give you one example. A baby word processor is there. Complete the puzzle is there. First we'll go to the complete the puzzle game. And when you click on this, there will be shadows of some. And here instruction is given, drag and drop the items to make them match. And look at the shadow and match the images which are given on the left side with this. And you are going to drag and drop and put it on the shadow. This is how you drag it and check at the symbols and shadow you are going to put it. Just like this, drag it and keep it on the shadow. This is for the children to give practice for mouse movement, clicking, dragging, and other practice will come. This is how you are going to put in all the items. And if you have finished all the 6, you are going to click on OK button. Now, and the smiley tells you it is nice. Like that, you will get the voice. And this is interesting to have all this like this, and this is how shadow comes. And the next game is for puzzle maker. Then you're going to word processor. This is like typing in word. You're going to click on title. And you will also have interesting voices in this, and the music will also come for you. Then nice title. If you click title, you're going to type on the title for the simple text, and then go for subtitle, and it will decrease your font size, and you're going to type like this as a subtitle, and you're going to practice there. And then click on paragraph and start paragraph. Now you're going to type the paragraph, and this is load already, which is saved. You are going to load with this. You search for the document and you can load using this. Okay, and we have not saved any documents, so it will not load anything. And now we are going for saving, and you give a name and save it. That's how you are going to. And help is there, home is there. When you want to go out, you are going to click home. Press left and right arrow keys at the same time to make the ball go in a straight line is the instruction given. So you're going to click on left and right arrow keys in your keyboard at the same time. And if you miss it, the ball will not fall. Now holding it and pressing both left and right arrow key will hit the. So when I'm not keeping it at the same time, now then it will not hit. This is how I have given. Now both at the same time it will hit. So you are going to keep both your keys of left and right at the same time, and this is how you are going to play this. Next we'll go on to the next, and this is very interesting. Click on the blue dots, just click, and when the blue color comes, you're going to click it, and blue, click it, come here, click it. Now you're drawing other wonderful image. This is interesting for the children to draw images, and this at the same time they'll also learn clicking. So next, blue color, really fun for the children to learn. Click on the blue color, clicking it, and again click, and beautiful dice for you. This is how you are going to go for next. There are more number of images, like there are 9 images which are given like mouse practice. Now we are clicking home and going back. Now we'll go on to the next one. We have learned this too, and click and draw as example. You can try with other games, and now we'll go on to the logic one, and let me give you one example. This is how, like, I'm going to click on this, and this rule is like the symbol should not be in a right row. If it is in the straight row, then you will get out. So you want to place different symbols in different places. That is your game. Like now I'm placing another one. If I put both in the same line, then it is out. So you should change that in that place. This is the rule of that. Now I'm changing it, and here I should give like tic-tac-toe. It is of different one. Now you have won it. Okay, like this you are going to place the symbols one by one, which should not be same touching in a line is the condition. Okay, this is what about. And railroad is another activity. Observe and remember the train before the timer ends, and then drag the items to set up a smaller train is the option. And look at this, you are going to remember this, and you are going to keep the same one. So which one is that you are going to remember? And this is the one. Okay, you're going to drag it up, keep it up, and click OK. Then it will be okay. Now the second one, look at this. This is like a memory power, and it goes off, and now you're going to pick one which is the same. And if you keep it wrong, click OK. It will not accept. So this is wrong, it will say. Now I'm going to click the correct one. There are 3 compartments, and you're going to check. Click OK, and if it is right, it will go. and we'll check the next one. This is one. Okay, now you can add to that. No, it is wrong, it is saying. So the order also should be same as you look at that, and it is right now. And when you click OK, it will move. And the next game which you are going to play is with Fine Arts. Find the details. And wherever you find that, you just keep on that. Then you're going to place OK. It is right. Then you are again going to select that and keep on the same image. Then it will go. And where is this? You are going to find out and put it on there. Okay, give OK. Now you are right. It is saying like this. You will have. Next, we'll go on to the Fine Arts category. Assemble the first puzzle. And this is as usual, however you play a puzzle like a jigsaw puzzle, you're going to add like this and it's done. This is how you're going to arrange all and get the image. There are so many images like this. You can play with all the images. And music, I'm going for piano playing. And look at the letters which are here, and you just click on those like this, and whatever it shows you, you want to click the same key. The colors which they resemble, you should click on that key. See, orange color is wrong, and blue and red, you want to click on blue twice, and one is orange. I'm clicking red, so it is showing wrong. So first one you want to click green, red and orange. So when you click on that correctly, it will play the music like that. Okay, this is how you're going to practice playing keyboard. This is related to musical notes, and you can also learn playing keyboard online with this, with the use of computer. Next we are going for piano composition. We have found, and explore world music, all those are there. And next we'll go to this. Now in science category, we are going for experiments. The first one is your goal is to get tucks across the canal lock to get the wooden locks using the different types of water locks available. This is your first task, and we are going to click next. And the vertical colored bars represent the water locks which can be operated by clicking them. Two locks of the same type cannot be operated. The water level inside the lock will change according to the side of the canal it is connected with. Use this property. This is the instruction given. And now we are going to use our brain and also helping this to cross the canal with the weighbridge here. Just I am clicking on the yellow one so that the water flow, and I'm going to click on the green one. Now it can pass. I'm clicking on the boat. Now it is here stuck, and if it want to grow, it should close this side. Green I am closing, and now I'm closing the yellow one, opening this yellow one so it can rise up, and now I'm opening the green one. So now this can pass easily. This is how the students want to use their brain and open which side to open for to help the boat to cross the canal is the experiment which is practically used the science knowledge of physics. Okay, next we are going for operate a canal lock is over now. This is the first game. Now we are exploring farm animals. You're going to look into the biology aspect, like you're looking into the farm animals. You're going to click one by one. If you click at the cow, it says the cow goes moo moo. Cows are herbivorous mammals. They graze all day in the meadow. Is the image of the cows and the sounds and the herbivorous animal and they graze also is given. This is how they give information. If you click on the sheep, it will give you the information about the sheep as it is a mammal that bears a fleece of wool. It is a grazing herbivore, bred for its wool, its meat, and its milk. The fleece can be removed and used to produce articles of clothing and blankets, among other things. This is the information given. And this is how you can use this. And now let us explore binary bulbs. Binary and logical is like binary will have zeros and ones, and this game will help students how to convert the decimal one into binary, and it is giving example also, like if it is of 0, 4 zeros and 1, like this. And this is how. Now we'll go on to the history. The first one is Chronos. We're going to play this. And Moonwalker, it will give you 4 images and you want to place which one will happen at the first in the first and the second, third and fourth in a logical sequence. Which happens first, you want to drag and drop in the first one. We'll check. This is a launching of satellite and the Moonwalker is landing in the moon. Generally first launching of satellite comes. So you are looking into the image and first they have started launching the vehicle, and this is of second one and the third one, and the satellite comes back, and we'll check whether it is right. No, two are like two, both of them looks similar, but one is going up and the another one is going down. So going up should come in the second place, and I'm putting it here, and now I'm putting this here. Now let us check, is this right? And now all these are right. This is how the students will learn of their own. Now comes the second one, seasons, and there are aviations, and these are like interesting games which will help the children to learn of their own, and they can match and learn of their own. And there are like Roman numerals, history of Louis, and point the relatives, etc. Now in the geography, locate the region. This is not only with another France and other countries, we have for Germany and Argentina, districts of Poland, Turkey, countries of Norway, Brazil, Canada, Mexico, USA, Italy, and states of India is also there. So you can easily help the children to learn the maps, drag and drop this to that place. This is how they can learn. Map drawing is a skill and the students can learn using this map, and dragging and putting it in the place will help them. So that in history we learn both maps. Next is with memory games. We'll look into some examples here. And the next one is with maths, enumeration. We have dice and raw numbers. We'll see as example. And now here again, like dots and blue color, you just go on clicking this, and this is for practicing writing of numbers. This is how they'll write 0, and next comes the number 1, like this you are going to practice, and the number sequence and arithmetic, and we go for meshes, and there we have some examples on calendar and others, and this is how with and then we go for the games which are of first one with the shadow. You are going to drag and drop like this, drag this, and this is here, and you're going to drag and drop and you're building the train. And likewise you have next images, and now we go for home. And the tangram is simple puzzle which really impresses your students to play. Now drag and drop, and you're going to check with which shape should come here, and this suits here, and wherever it suits you're going to place it, and you're going to click on next, rotate, and it may suit here, and you're going to look at that. There are arrows which helps you to rotate, and it suits here. And now you want to roll it, so just click it, it goes back. So click on the edge and turn it upwards, right? See now what we want to roll it, so I'm trying to rotate that and it is not rolling, so I'm clicking on the edge, it's not working. So we want to find how to roll it. So if I click this, it rotates like this. And now here also, now I'm keeping it like that and I'm rolling like this, and I'm just trying to keep it in that place. And now just I'm clicking on that and I have rolled it upwards like this. It fits perfect. Yes, and almost we have completed that. Likewise you are going to do this, and there are different symbols which you can practice. There are 11, 12, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, 21, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 40, 42. Oh my god, 42 images are there that you are going to practice with the tangram. And now language, we move on to that, and I'll give you baby word processor. We have checked with this, draw letters, alphabet sequence, and we'll check with one. Click on an uppercase and we go with the words. Here also we have so many examples. Missing letters, we'll check with that. Now you know that the missing letter is L. So like this, look at the image and click on the word. This is how. And E. Good. This is good game for spelling. This is how. ONE1. And now we go for following words, and you're going to type A or M, and it will say for you SAY, say. NOW, now. AIR, and ME is there. Likewise you're going to practice this words, and we go for vocabulary and matching items, advanced colors, enrich your vocabulary, and tic-tac-toe. Chess is also there. You can play chess here, and we go back. And if you want to search for any game, you can click on this search and you can play specific activities directly from the search. Okay. This is a special game set where you have all the options in the search button, and it is a combination of all categories, and we have different categories as well. And this is for computer practice, for practicing all subjects, and for recreation. This helps your children to learn and to practice and to refresh. And this is a complete learning set of all-in-one, so that you can also try with playing Gcompress and help your children learn much with fun. And if you want any of the clarification, the website or the help button here, the question mark, will help you in giving the directions for how to play this game. And I hope that this video explanation will give you a detailed practice on hands-on activities of all. I have given one or two samples. You can try with that. Thank you.